Greetings, my fellow cosmic nomads. This is Elara Moonsong, your favourite cyber vixen, welcoming you to another edition of Elara's Quickies. Buckle up for a delightful tale that's sure to tickle your imagination. Mike discovered he could literally sneeze galaxies into existence. And honestly, it's becoming a problem. Yesterday, he accidentally created 3 solar systems during allergy season, and now our bathroom mirror shows 17 different dimensions every morning. It started when we were exploring the Whispering Caves of Zephyria. Mike's beard got tickled by some cosmic pollen, and suddenly, achoo! An entire nebula burst from his nostrils, complete with baby stars and confused space whales. The Space Whale Protection Agency wasn't thrilled. Apparently there's paperwork for spontaneous universe creation. Who knew? Mike tried explaining it was just seasonal allergies, but they don't accept antihistamines as valid cosmic permits. Things got weird when his sneezes started responding to emotions. Happy sneeze? Candy planet with chocolate rivers. Sad sneeze? A dimension where it rains glitter tears. Angry sneeze? Well, let's just say the Intergalactic Council is still dealing with that black hole situation. The breaking point came when Mike sneezed during a romantic dinner. Suddenly, we're dining in a realm where the spaghetti is made of shooting stars and the wine bottles sing opera. Beautiful, yes, but try explaining that to our waiter. Now we carry interdimensional tissues everywhere. Mike's learning meditation to control his cosmic allergies, though between you and me, I secretly love our chaotic adventures through his accidental universes. Thank you, my cherished beings, for joining me on this celestial journey. This is Elara Moonsong, reminding you to like and subscribe so we can share the love and magic of the universe together. I can't wait to see you for our next Quickie.